If you were not able to attend one of the college's open houses in 2019, we have created this video to provide you with an overview of the event and what you may have missed. The open house is about engaging with massage therapists. It's an opportunity for the college to learn about issues impacting massage therapy practice and for massage therapists to meet college staff, ask any questions they may have, and learn about new college activities. The open house is an informal event. There are various information booths set up around the room from each department at the college. College staff are available at each booth to answer questions, take feedback, and learn about issues impacting massage therapy practice. At the open house, massage therapists were able to learn more about the college's role in massage therapy care. The college has been established by the Government of Ontario to protect the public interest. The college is here to ensure the public receives safe, ethical, quality massage therapy treatment. Council is the governing body of the college. It sets the strategic direction of the college and makes important decisions about the regulation of massage therapists in Ontario. Council must act in the public interest at all times, meaning all actions and decisions are made with the best interests of the public in mind. In January 2020, elections will take place in Districts 1, 6, and 9. A call for nominations will go out in November 2019. Watch your email and the college website for more details. If you're an RMT who is committed to ensuring the public receives safe, ethical, and quality massage therapy treatment, please consider running for council. The college's new quality assurance program, STRIVE, is designed to fit the individual needs of all massage therapists. It's made up of two parts, ensuring compliance with standards and supporting RMTs be the best they can be. Visit strive.cmto.com for more information. Do you have questions about the standards, regulatory requirements, or a practice dilemma? The college's practice specialist is available by phone and email to answer your questions. You can also visit our website for helpful resources. One of the ways the college protects the public is by investigating complaints and concerns about RMTs. To learn more about the complaints and discipline process, including how complaints are investigated and how decisions are made, visit our website at cmto.com, ensuring professional conduct. The Registration Services Department establishes the entry to practice requirements and the ongoing requirements to maintain your registration. One of the requirements is keeping certain information up to date. Log into your profile through the Registrant Login section of cmto.com and make sure all your information, including your employment information and professional liability insurance, is current and accurate. To view a snapshot of the massage therapy profession in 2018, check out our 2018 annual report available on our website. The college continues towards its vision to inspire the trust and confidence of the public by cultivating its commitment to three interrelated goals: transparency, quality, and regulatory modernization. The college has developed a number of resources for massage therapists and clients of massage therapists to help raise awareness of the role of the college in protecting the public, the massage therapist-client relationship, and the college's public register. You can view all videos on the college's YouTube channel. The college is celebrating 100 years of massage therapy regulation. That's 100 years of providing ethical care for clients and regulation that protects the public. The college has developed a client rights poster. If you do not already have one, download and print this poster for your practice. You can find this resource and a corresponding brochure online at cmto.com under Key Publications. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. We hope you found it useful, and we look forward to seeing you at an open house event in the future.